Hey everybody, Chris here from Rottweiler Performance, and if you have an 1190 through 1290 and absolutely hate filter maintenance, guess what? You're not alone. Everyone hates filter maintenance on those bikes. How KTM could design a bike where 54 bolts, 7 pieces of plastic, and the entire fuel tank has to come off just to service your filter for an off-road bike is crazy to me. So that's why I designed the Solera Intake System. This took a few years to get across the finish line because the molds were very complicated, the design was very complicated. We went through a few different iterations, but what we ended up with, I am very, very proud of. And there's a lot of people that have had this over the last couple of years. It's about a 2-year-old product that have been very happy with them. So all you have to do is ask people, how do you like the Solera Intake? They're going to tell you they love it. So let me tell you why. You pull up in the middle of the desert and you know that you've been in the dust all day, you've been trailing guys, or you just want to maintain your filter in your garage and you don't want to have to pay a mechanic a bunch of money or do it yourself. Well, you take your seat off, you back that knob off, and you pull it out like that quick. If it's dirty in the front, let's say you're out in the wild and you want to freshen it up, you can literally flip it around because the backside stays cleaner, or you can bring a couple spares with you, throw those on, just bring some gloves with you, and you can put it right back in. And the way we've designed this is you cannot do it wrong. You can see I just pushed it in right there. It located, it stopped. If you do it wrong, it basically will go in like that, and you know that's wrong. So basically you just drop it on the floor of this thing, you push forward, that needle finds its home and it stops right there. You lock it down in its keeper and you are done. So if you pay somebody for maintenance, this will pay for itself within about 2 air filter maintenance cleanings. If you do maintenance yourself, you're going to be a lot happier because you're going to be able to get to the beer a lot quicker with this design than doing it KTM's way. So this is the Solera Intake. A lot of people are really happy with these. Once again, you want to maintain your filter. Comes out, goes right back in, that quick, perfect sealing. A lot of people ask us, actually, I'm going to mention this at the end of the video here. A lot of people ask us, well, how do the velocity stacks interface? Well, they dovetail in right here with this taper. And so all the sealing is done out here. There's no sealing done at the velocity stack. All the sealing is done out here. So the big design challenge with this was how to get it up and over the velocity stacks. Well, we split them in 2. They dovetail in and they work really, really well. Go together just like that. You're donezo.